Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
So today I would like to present the material related to the human body. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Marsha Skandrawardhani and I'm from English Education Department. Okay. Have you ever imagined that the human also can like more animal like a jellyfish or fireballs? Now, the aim of this presentation will explain how could that phenomena happen. My presentation will divide into three main topics. The first topic is the how this phenomena could happen, and the second topic is the discovery, and the last is the factor that affect the human body can grow. Okay, let's start with the first topic. What people usually think. People usually think that only animal can grow, but actually the human also can grow. Okay, this picture shows that the human body can grow. The picture is different. It is not a temperature. It is totally light in our body, but the light is very weak, so we cannot see directly. So we need use another equipment, special equipment, such as ultra sensitive camera. This picture captured by the Japanese scientific using an ultra sensitive camera. Next. Okay, let's make with the next topic. How does this phenomena occur? Okay, this phenomena occur because the cell in our body produce a small particle of the light and is called pure photons. And also it is because of it is natural process in our body when cell use oxygen to produce energy. Next. Okay, let's continue with discovery. The first is founded by Japanese scientific in the 2009. So these researchers found by Japanese scientific name is Masaki Kobayashi, Daisuke Kirikuchi from Tohoku Technology, and Hisashi Okumura from Kyoto University. And this uses a super sensitive camera. So like I thought before that the human light is we cannot see directly, but we can use a super sensitive camera. So because the human body is very light, very weak to use with eye directly. Brightness at 4 p.m. and weakness at 10 p.m. So the light in our body is not bright all the time. There are times when our body is bright. It is in the at 4 p.m. and the light will dim at 10 p.m. Okay, next. So there are some effects that human body can glow. The first is stress diet affect brightness. So when we are stressed, our body is produce more free radical, and which can reduce the glow. And diet. When we diet, we are eating a healthy food such as high vitamin or antioxidant. So it can help our body to more brighter. Then glow reflects body metabolic activity. So the body can glow is from the cellular reaction in our cell producing energy, and it is active in our metabolism. So when we have a good energy, we also have a good metabolism. And when we have a good metabolism, also we can our body is more bright and something like that. Then the last is health condition. So a health body can produce a stable pure photon. Pure photon, like I talked before, the cell that in our body that have a light. Its name is pure photon. And if we get the illness or tired, the product of the pure photon is like not stable, and that's why it can be effect in our life in our body. Next. So in the conclusion, the length of the human body comes from tiny particle called biophotons. And it is also because our natural process in our body when the oxygen produce energy. And the light is very weak, so we cannot see directly. We need a special equipment to see the light in our body. Okay? This way, for the conclusion, feel free to answer your question. Any question, please? Okay.
This might help doctors identify disease.
Okay, that's a good question. So, currently, the doctor cannot find that the human light can help the doctor to indicate disease in the someone or in the person. But maybe I think with the advanced technology, with growth technology in the future, the doctor it is possible to indicate the light in the human if indicate they have this disease or something like that. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for the attention. Hope this information can add your more knowledge and your knowledge. Okay.